PSLE is coming. Can you solve this 2023 PSLE Math question? And the question goes, the figure shows 6 circles, each of radius 7 centimeters. Each circle touches the circles next to it. Find the area of the shaded part. So in this case, the first thing is you want to know how do we get the shaded part area. And it's actually pretty straightforward. We have these 3 shaded circles, and then we need to add these two in the middle kind of area in this figure over here. So now the next thing is to find out the 3 circles is actually pretty straightforward. Since the question says each circle has a radius of 7 centimeters, then one area of the circle will be pi times radius square or radius times radius, and this gives us 22 out of 7 times 7 times 7, and this gives us 154 centimeters square. So now we want to get 3 of them because there's a shaded part, which is 3 times 154, and that gives us 462 centimeters square. So now we have figured out the first part, which is the 3 circles. The second part is in the middle, which is highlighted in green. So let's just focus on one part of it, and it will look something like this. We also know that the radius is 7 centimeters. That means this square over here is actually just 7 centimeters combined, and that means one side will be 14 centimeters. So the thing is that in this square, there is 4 quarter circles, and one of the quarter circle area is basically 1/4 of the whole circle. And the thing is that we have 4 of these quarter circles, which means that we have 1/4 times 4, which is essentially just one circle. And actually, earlier we have calculated one circle area, which is, if you remember, 154 centimeters square. So now we can get this middle area part, which is highlighted in green. So essentially, we first get the square, which is 14 times 14, and that gives us 196. And the area of this one little part is 196 minus 154, and this gives us 42 centimeters square. So then that means the shaded part area would then be equal to 546 centimeters square.